Here I'm using a GE 9600, a little bit of an older machine, but it still functions very well. This is a typical feature across many devices. So you have two handles at the back. One of the handles is fixed, one of the handles will turn, and you turn the handle in the direction that you want the base unit to move. So if we want to go in a straight line, the handle is facing straight, the wheels are aligned straight, and you can just push forward. Now you have to be a little cautious if you want to maintain wag, because the front wheels flip around as you move forward and back. It causes the machine to wag. If you want to go at an angle, you just turn the handle in the direction that you wish to travel, and you can push in that same direction. And that handle works to the right or to the left. And you can get that all the way around to 90 degrees. If you want to go left to right, you can either turn the handle facing to the left, where you can direct it that way, or it goes that way. And the same function works if you are moving that way or this way. So a lot of times I see students in new techs, if they wish to go to the right, then the wheels are aligned this way, but then if they want to go back, they turn the handle all the way around to slide north. You don't have to do that. Once you're in the kind of lateral plane, you can just move the machine up and down. And my preference is to stand at the side of the machine. I'll come around this side so you can see it. So that if I am pushing the machine, I can lean in with my leg, and that allows much more control, and it's a lot less stress for me when trying to move the machine. So if you're in a small space and you need to turn into the field, the machine can actually pivot on its axis. So as long as your wheels are aligned straight forward, the machine can actually turn right on its axis. It can pivot right there. It doesn't have to have forward motion, but you can, with forward motion, push and then gently apply some pressure to away from the direction that you wish to turn. So if I wish to turn right, I push the back of my machine out to the left. Similarly, if I want to turn to the left, I push the back of my machine out to the right as I kind of drive in, and I can turn the machine that way. So a lot of times if I'm coming in and I have to enter the field, I would go ahead and move the cable up out of the way. So if I have to make a quite sharp turn, I would usually come up to almost where I need to be, and rather than having to arc it all the way around, I just go ahead and turn. I can make a slight slide adjustment. So I kind of get there in stages if I'm stuck for space, and then I can go ahead and slide on into the field. Alternatively, once you're a more confident and competent user, you can turn as you push forward. So as I turn here, you can see I go ahead and drive the handle. And again, that's me coming into the field the same.